what's going on YouTube? It's Nikki the Bombshell Biker. Look at that sunset. Oh, I love it. As you can tell, that's the bearded bobber up there. Being loud as fuck. So tonight, I really wanted to get on my bike. I hadn't been on it in a while, and we're having to take it apart again to get some more pieces wrapped on my bike. So I asked the beard if we could please go out together, because it had been a while since we'd just gone and ridden, like not to work or not like home from work, just to go ride. So he said, of course. Because he knows, what makes my heart happy is being on my bike. So the sunset is actually a pretty appropriate beginning to this video, because it's almost spoopy season. So I use my language here, fucking love Halloween. Love it. Live for it every single year. I like basic bitch fall things. I love pumpkin spice. I love to go up to Oak Glen and look at the pumpkin patches. I like to do all of those things, and I live for it, and I'm here for it, and send me all of your spoopy ghost stories because I love them. I have already started the spoopy season. I bought myself a little Ouija board. The little Ouija board place is called a planchette. That's the part that floats over the letters on a Ouija board. Also, fun fact, I will never touch a Ouija board because I don't need any more demons in my house. I got enough. I don't know if any of y'all believe the same things I do, because we have a pretty wide group of people, and I don't expect everybody to believe the same things, but I totally believe in ghosts. I always have. I have always, like my mom did. My dad's been kind of more as like the older he got, the more he was like, yeah, no, totally saw a ghost right now. Love it. I live for it. I ghosts are those that we have lost, and they are with us always. So I wanted to, in honor of spoopy season getting ready to start, which I know, like, it's August. It's August 25th today that I'm filming this. Probably be out in a couple weeks. I'm starting spoopy early. Because if it was up to me, I'd be telling ghost stories in January. No fucks are given. So let's start. We'll start with a happy, mild, spoopy story. How about that? A good one. Has a good ending. Well, like, endings aren't really like, it's pretty like, this happened, then this happened, and ta-da, and that was pretty much it. But it's nice. It's a happy one. I didn't see like a demon come out of the ground. That's not what we're going to start with. That'll be like episode 2, maybe. I don't know. Anyways. So this story happens to do with Miss Lucy and my mom. So, as most of you know by now, my mom has been gone since February of 2018. Miss her every day. She's my very best friend. It sucks. No other way to put it. Actually, 333 put it really, really well. It's like knowing that you'll never see the sun again. And that's how you have to live your life. It's garbage. But we do it. We wake up in our sunless sky and we keep going, because that's what they would want us to do. But every now and then, if we're lucky, we get little glimpses of sunshine. So my glimpse of sunshine came on a day I was on my bike. I did not always have this helmet I'm rocking right now. I used to have the Speed and Strength Hellcat helmet. It was white with the stripes and the animal print. Super cute. So I had a really bad habit of not always latching it. I don't know why. I promise I'm not like, I like to live dangerously. I'm just a dumbass. Like, that's what it boils down to. Like, I just don't want to rock a helmet. Helmet laws are stupid. Blah, blah, blah. No, I love my helmet. I like having a face. I have a beautiful face most days. Some days I don't. Some days it's garbage, but it's still my face, and I only get one of them. So, here we are. So, I was having a bad, like, miss my mom day. we had roommates at the time, and I was like, hey, like, I'm just gonna get on my bike, I'm gonna hop in the canyon and just like rip around. And before I left, my roommate Jessie was like, hey, just be safe. Like, I know you miss your mom and it's a great distressor, but like sometimes it can be a distraction. So, you know, just be careful. Absolutely no problem. Get on my bike, get on the road, hit like the first couple curves, and don't notice anything's amiss. So I wear a necklace around my neck, obviously, and it has two very important pieces on it. Well, technically three. One of those pieces is a little fingerprint medallion. That fingerprint medallion is for my husband that passed in 2017. Backtrack a little bit, won't really. We're going to kind of glaze over this. There'll be a day, but today's not that day. Sidebar, that monument right there is for everyone that didn't make it home from Vietnam that lived in Redlands, and one of my uncles is on there. The more you know. Speaking of people we've lost. So anyways, it has my husband's fingerprint because I lost him very, very young. We were separated at the time, but he was still my very best friend. And my coworkers got together and ordered me this medallion that has his fingerprint because a lot of people don't know. When you die, they fingerprint you. I had no idea. I never knew until he died. And his mom told me, and she'd gotten a medallion, and she was just like, in case you want it, like, here's the info. And my coworkers were awesome and all got together to get me this medallion. The other thing I have on this necklace, on this chain, is a little heart, which I'll put a picture of the whole necklace, but I have a little heart medallion. And I'm sorry if this is cringy to any of you. To me, it's very important, and I'm so grateful I have it. Inside the heart has some of my mom's ashes. I wear it every day. Sometimes I don't take it off, sometimes I do. I don't like shower in it because I'm afraid to get water in it, but ooh, look at us. God, he's so loud. So I wear it every day, and especially if I'm gonna ride, I make sure that I wear it because I want to make sure my guardian angels have got my back. Oh, I downshifted too soon. So I'm still learning. So I'm going down the road, and on Santa Mateo, there's a couple like immediate like big turns and like curves in the road. And so like the first couple of them, my necklace starts to just beat the bejesus out of my sternum. I wear this necklace always. Every time I ride. Never once has it done this to me. And I was just like, what the fuck is happening? So, sorry, we're over here to film some of the Beards video. And I'm just going to tell spoopy stories. So I eventually get so sick of it, I pull over because it hurts. This medallion is not light. It is very heavy. If I were to swing it around and hit somebody with it, they'd be pissed. Trim my blade graph. So I'm riding down the road and just like deep, right in my chest, and it hurts so bad. So I pull over to tuck it into like my bra strap or my tank top or whatever I had. And I realize as I go to reach for my necklace, my helmet's not like looped through. All I could say was like, oh, my bad. Knowing it was my mom being super pissed I did not put on my helmet properly because she would never have accepted that. So yeah. Don't watch me make videos. Don't make videos of me making videos. Listen, sir. Whew, that air feels really good. Can you? No. What? I'm telling a spoopy story. Okay. Love you. This is just another camera angle. That's my eyeball. I don't think anybody wants to be that close to my eyeball. Are you done? Oh, okay. Yeah. That's fine. I'm sweating. But if you could, like, walk away, though, because this is awkward. You do you, boo-boo. You can't see the face I'm making, but it's not amused by the weird shenanigans. I don't even remember what was on my story. Anyways, so the necklace starts hitting me, and I realized it's my helmet, and I was just like, oh my god, it's my mom, and she's mad. Loop my helmet through. Don't mess with the necklace. Leave it alone, because I'm testing a theory here. Get back on the bike. Not a single freaking movement from that necklace. It was unreal. So now I take extra time. And it has never done it since. Like, I know this sounds insane, and I know I sound like a crazy person, and I don't care. Other than the fact that I'm talking to myself inside a helmet, I still don't care. 99% sure it was my mom. 1% sure it might have been Ryan. Pretty sure he probably would have just laughed. And only because it was her charm beating the crap out of my chest do I think it was my mom, because that would totally be something she would do, because she can't smack me anymore. So... Oh my goodness. So I don't know if you guys believe in ghosts or, signs from the other side, whatever. I do, and at the very least, it's a coping mechanism for me, and that's fine. If you don't believe it and you want to be a little salty POS about it, keep the comments to yourself. Because if you come for me, I'm coming for you, and I'm not going to be nice about it. So if this is something, since I got a little aggressive there, sorry, but I'm not tolerating that on this one. And you know what? I'm not tolerating on any of them anymore. Because I had a dislike on my Aussie interview before it had even aired. It was a premiere video. And someone went and disliked it. And I was just like, keep your salty self to your damn self. Not here for it. And it was a good interview. I was super proud. Aussie's great. I'm like, low-key, I'm going to grow up and be Aussie. Pretty sure I want to be Aussie for Halloween. Maybe a thing. But I also told the beard, if I'm Aussie, I get to steal the beard, the bobber, because, can't be Aussie without an Indian, so I need it. But anyways, so that is Spoopy story number 1. We will, if this is something you guys like, let me know, and I'll keep telling them, because I have all kinds of creepy nonsense stories. Redlands is a really old town. This is where I grew up. My mom's family is from here. Like, they moved from Mexico to Redlands. Like, here we are. And so it's a really old town, and I love, like, some of the spoopy history that's here. And one of the houses that is still in our family has a lot of those stories. And so I would love to share those. I love Halloween and scary stories. I can't watch scary movies at night, though, fun fact, because then I can't sleep. I get horrendous nightmares. And I get nightmares all the time. And it's like, anything I watch, like, that's what I have a nightmare about. And it's stupid. But if I watch, like, Spoopy in the middle of the day, and then, like, Happy Funny Joy Joy right before bed, I'll be fine. The beard's like, let's go see the new It. And I was like, well, I can't. And he's like, well, why? I was like, because I can't have all the blinds open in the theater. People don't like that. He was like, well, we'll just watch it in the middle of the day. I was like, but it'll still be dark in there. Like, calm down. I can wait. You can go see it without me. It's fine. Just don't spoil it for me. Oh my goodness, I'm getting tired. But alright, I'm going to leave it there. I think I've sat here and spewed a bunch of nonsense long enough. And hopefully the beard will be finished with his video soon. But just want to remind you guys, stay safe, stay sassy, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye, guys.